How to sign in to Nike app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can sign in or log in on the Nike app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, all you want to do is you want to open up the Nike app or the Nike app here, and once you do so you'll get an interface like this. Now here you can see, as you get the interface like this, at the bottom left corner of your screen you can see the two different options, that is join us and sign in. Now if you want to join the Nike app, if you are new to the app and if you don't have the account, you'll have to tap on the join us option and it'll give you the join in option. There you'll be able to sign up. However, if you just want to log in or sign into the application, here all you have to do is tap on the sign in option here. Now once you tap on the sign in option, it'll redirect you to the official Nike website. Here you can see where you'll be able to log into your account. Now here you can see enter your email to join us or sign in. You'll have to first type in your email here. Now once you type in your email, you can see in my case I've already saved my password, but if you haven't saved it, first type in your email, and once you type in your email you want to simply tap on continue, and once you tap on continue there it'll ask you for password, and once you type in your password you'll be able to sign in. So this way you can sign in the Nike app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.